Welcome to RazFamArt. Today we are going to draw a taco. To start, we're going to make a J looking letter, and then we're going to make a big arch going from the bottom all the way around. And we're going to stop a little bit before the end of that J and curve it around because that's going to be the other side of the taco shell. Next, we're going to make some cloud shapes, and that's going to be our little chop meat. And then I'm going to move a little bit above, and that's going to be my tomato. I'm going to make a line connecting my tomato. That is going to be my lettuce. A little bit of a curved line, another curved line, because a leaf of lettuce is an organic shape, which means it doesn't have any sharp edges. Kind of making these curved lines. Almost looks like the taco has hair. And I'm going to make another tomato wrapping around. And again, I'm going to end it with the chop meat coming out on the side right there. Okay, our taco looks a little faceless. I'm going to give it some cheeks by putting these tiny little circles here. And 4, I put 2 on the top and 2 on the side. I'm going to do the same thing on the other end. 2 on the top and 2 on the side. There you go. Let's get a mouth. Ooh, make a little U shape. There we go, connecting. I'm going to make another little circle right next to it. And going right across the other side and make another eyes. Oh, almost forgot the tongue. Make an M. There you have it. You have your taco. Let's get ready to color. You can use crayons, markers, anything that you have at home to make this pop.